Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the essentials. Open your project and immediately raise the composition resolution to 1920 by 1080 and pick 30 or 60 frames per second for smooth motion. Once done, check each layer's scale and switch on proportional scaling so images don't blur when resized. Make sure previews use high-quality rendering rather than draft. These steps reduce compression artifacts early, and they prepare your timeline so subsequent fixes actually improve final output instead of masking underlying. Now you optimize the middle of the process. Replace low-resolution images with originals and rasterize vector layers to avoid runtime smoothing that looks soft. If an effect is heavy, like multiple glows or noisy grain, reduce its intensity or substitute a lighter alternative. This cuts down internal compression and preserves detail. Pre-render any multi-effect segments to a high bitrate intermediate file so Alight Motion doesn't recompress them every frame. Finally, apply motion blur sparingly and only when it improves perceived quality. Finish by exporting correctly. Choose H, 264 or HEVC and set bitrate high, around 10 to 30 Mbps for 1080p, or use a lossless intermediate if you'll edit further. Make sure export at original resolution is selected and any compression slider is at minimum. After export, play the file on multiple devices to confirm quality. If you still see blockiness or banding, clear Alight Motion's cache, restart the app, and re-import the project. That often resolves stubborn preview-to-export mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.